Hey y'all, football season is officially here, and today we're going to be making Philly cheesesteak dip. Alright y'all, so to kick it off, we're going to start with this 14-ounce container of Old Neighborhood beef shaved steak. I picked this up at Walmart. It was like $7, so you can go and get you some as well. They have different types of the shaved steak, so you can just choose whichever one you would like. I'm going to go ahead and add some minced garlic into here and start the cooking process for this shaved steak. Alright, so it's a Philly cheesesteak without the flavor. I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning the shaved steak while it's still in its cooking process in the pan here. And the seasonings on the screen, of course, is what I am going to be using today.
I finish thumbing, I can put you on some paper, proper play and teach you something. Got my stones on Himalaya, no I'm not your sucker ducking. Ain't no need for that discussion, bluffing with the game. About to build a couple million, came with nothing but my name. I'ma twist it, flip it, stick it like a bop it. Tell them stop it, all them haters out of pocket. Let me plug it like a
Once there is no longer any red pieces of meat, I'm going to take this steak and remove it from the heat and put it in a bowl to the side. To that same exact pan we just took the steak out of, I'm going to add a scoop of garlic butter, let that get all nice and melted down before I add in the vegetables. Alright, to that butter that we just melted, I'm going to add in 1 white onion, 2 chopped jalapeños, 1 bell pepper, red and green, and some white mushrooms. I am going to drizzle over a little bit of olive oil just to also help with that cooking process because we want this to simmer all the way down.
I'm living lavish, I'm flossing, bossing a bag and I'm cash off the passion. Out here with my niggas, AV to the casket, we reckless, stay in your lane. I'm on gas till somebody cut the brakes, cutting off these haters.
The same seasonings that I used to season the shaved steak, I'm going to go ahead and use those same exact seasonings to season the vegetables that we have here.
Hit me when you through with that, then we can shift again. My schedule been clear. These niggas see me, they mad like I'm one of their peers. I put that on Sita, so I'm sure it's abundantly clear. I'm hella big on the set, what I said. Eyes low off the legal and the red wave. Put the leg room and the roof gone. Man, I came a long way from them deals off the Groupon.
You want to make sure you put a lid over the vegetables until they kind of start to look like this. And then at that point, I'm just going to start to gradually add 1 block of my Philadelphia cream cheese. Let that steam get inside so this can all melt down together and start creating those nice flavors. Once the cream cheese is melted down, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. Once that starts to combine, I'm going to add in 2 scoops of sour cream as well. And then we're going to mix all this together. Now, even though this is a Philly cheesesteak inspired dip, I still wanted the beef to be the flavor star of the show. So when it comes to the cheese, I didn't add too much. Right here, I am adding a little bit of mozzarella, letting that cook in and melt down. And then once everything is all mixed together, I'm going to go in and I'm going to top it with the Colby jack cheese. But again, I didn't use a whole lot of cheese. The cream cheese itself is enough, honestly. Now, if you're someone who's like, I want the cheese flavor more than anything, then of course, you can add as much cheese as you like, but I really wanted the shaved steak to be the star of the show. She gon' bust it open way before I finish thumbing. I can put you on some paper. I'm gonna go ahead and start to get my pan ready so I can add the dip inside of here. Be sure if you are using a hollow pan like this that you have a larger baking sheet up under it or a piece of foil while you place it in the oven, because I guarantee this will boil over unless you are using a deeper dish.
Baby say I make her nervous, maybe cause I'm real on the surface, maybe cause I'm 10 down where the turf is. Don't get lost in those facades on the guys, you know ain't nobody perfect. I just put the work in, I know what my worth is. I'm living lavish, I'm flossing, bossing a bag and cash off the passion. Out here with my niggas, AV to the casket, we reckless, stay in your lane. I'm on gas till somebody cut the brakes, cutting off these haters in the heads of the snakes. Spinning the plan, but you catching on.
I'm going to use that additional jalapeno just for the aesthetic purposes. I mean, if you're not a fan of spice, you don't need this on top, but it did add extra level of spice that I really enjoyed. So that's why I'm placing these rounds right on top, and then we're going to place this in the oven on 400 degrees and let it cook for about 20 minutes. I am going to be using some baguettes here, and they really help elevate the flavor of the dip. I am going to take some garlic butter that I'm melting, and I'm going to coat the top of these baguettes that I'm slicing, place them in the oven for about 10 minutes on 400 degrees. I did place it in the oven with the dip on the top rack, so that way they can kind of cook simultaneously. Took them out and they had the perfect amount of crisp. Look at this dip, y'all. It was sizzling and it was so good. And like I said, you can tell that it did boil over a little bit, but it got caught by the foil. And here is the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and cut on those notifications so you can always know when I am posting a video.